usually the boards are set from the factory already. We've kind of pre-adjusted that curve a little bit. And you have to really just kind of throw some pucks and get a feel for what you think is happening, because you might think it's in the climate adjusters and it's actually in the leg. So see that curve back in, so it tells you the board is probably okay. These are the climate adjusters. And if you take this nut on the outside loose, and you take this inside one, you don't have to really work both of them, but if you take this inside one and you just go like that, it doesn't take a whole lot. That puts enough pressure on that board that it's pushing the board this way. It's making the board more concave. If it's too concave and you just want to back it off, you might have to just come in here and just back this off a little bit, take some pressure off, because there's already pressure on there. You don't have to very often use these outside nuts, which you can use, which push the rods in this way and make the board more flat.
Gotcha.
And you do need two 15/16 inch wrenches to do this.